Whilst the role of the likes of Sultan Salahuddin is well known in the later part of the Crusades, there are many heroes that Muslim chroniclers often tend to overlook. One such name is Nuruddin Zengi. In history, there are stories of brave people who did incredible things. One such hero is Nuruddin Zengi. His life was all about being brave, smart, and bringing people together, especially during the Crusades. Born in 1118 AD in Aleppo, Nuruddin wanted to unite Muslim lands against the Crusaders who were taking over. He worked hard to bring together different Muslim leaders to fight against the Crusaders. One of Nuruddin's coolest moments was when he took back the city of Edessa from Crusaders in 1144 AD. This was a big win for him and the Muslim people. But Nuruddin did more than just fight battles. He also supported artists, scholars, and builders, making his kingdom a great place for culture and learning. People really respected Nuruddin because he cared about fairness and making sure things were run well. Even though Nuruddin is gone now, his story still inspires us. He showed us how important it is to work together and stand up for what's right. Stay tuned for more amazing stories about great leaders from history. Subscribe for more awesome tales.